Many HR companies and recruitment agencies faces this problem that if they posted any job post on their social media, they faces a tons of resumes. And to tackle them and to assist them, we have to manually read each and every candidate resumes to find out the suitable candidate for a job posting. But and this process take a lot of time. But what if I told you that all the screening process will be done by AI? Yes, you heard me right. In this automation, I will be guiding you through AI automation workflow that I built that will collect candidate applications from a form, extract resume text, fetches the job posting details, use an AI screener to assess suitability, assigning a match percentage, stores everything in Google Sheet, and notify HR if the candidate is suitable. And yes, all on its own. So let me just quickly give you a quick preview how the automation is working. So there is a candidate form and we need to fill out. So let me just quickly fill out the details, and I'm filling this out with my personal details. So here's the email. We will left the phone number column for now, and the position that I will be applying for will be for the project management, relevant skill, website, and SEO manager. SEO management. Cover letter, we will be left this as it is, and let me just add a resume. There you go. I will remain the status screening pending, and then the form has been submitted. Let's go to the Google Sheet and see if our detail is being updated or not. So here we can see the sheet has been updated. So let's just click on the execution button, and here you can see I have clicked on the execution button, and now the workflow is started. It extract the resume from the Google Drive, and now it's extract the job posting, and now the AI creation is AI is happening. In this we have a candidate screening AI chat model, and to run this model we are using Google Gemini, and now the screening is being done and the status is also being updated on the Google Sheet. So let's just click go to the Google Sheet and see if the status is being updated or not. So here you can see the status being updated, and here are the all necessary information that we got from the AI. Here's a small screening state notes from the AI that we got, and the match percentage, and is the candidate suitable for this role or not. The screening status is also there. So this is just this simple. And see if the status is being updated on. So this is how the whole automation looks like, and don't worry, I will be guiding you each step. And just for your ease, now this time I've also added a sticky notes explaining about the whole automation workflow. So let's just quickly dive into our workflow. So here you can see the first step. Again start with the schedule trigger. So basically just think of a schedule trigger as an alarm clock. Basically an alarm clock or a start button, like we can customize when we wanted to start the workflow, like in every minutes. Here you can see like we can customize it like into minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or so on, like according to our need. When we wanted to run this whole workflow again and again, like every day we can run it on a specific time, or every hour or every minute when we wanted to run this whole workflow again. And in the next step, here you can see there is a Google Sheet attached, and here it is named as get pending candidate leads. So basically if we just go on to the Google Sheet which I have attached, so here you can see these are the bold details, like it has a column names as full name, phone number, email address, position applied, relevant skills, cover letter, resume, screening status, match percentage, screening notes, and date applied. So basically here you can see in the screen status there are few values are given. So whenever the candidate fill out the form, currently I have attached a Google form in it. So whenever a new candidate application is being coming and updating in this sheet, it automatically updates the screening status value as pending, so that every time this workflow fetches out the new candidates and evaluate that candidate. And then in the next step here you can see there's a split in batches node. So basically what the function of a split into batches, basically just to avoid any type of overloading or like any type of error, I have added split into batches error. So if like there is a tens of emails, or there's a tens of candidates profile that is being valued as pending in the sheet, so it will just split all of the 10 candidate profiles into batches and transfer that profile individually one by one to avoid any type of error or overloading. And in the next step, you can see it, there is a quote node attached. Basically, what is the function of quote node here? Basically, if we go on to the Google form that we have attached, so here you can see in the last there is a resume attached form. So whenever the candidates fill out this form and give us the resume, it directly save into our Google Drive. So what does this code node do? It basically extract the extract that provided resume from the Google Drive, and then in the next step here you can see it downloads that. So whatever the resume, so for each individual candidate, each individual candidate resume is firstly extracted from the Google Drive, and then it's downloaded. And then in the next step here you can see there is a extract resume PDF. So what this node actually do, this node actually fetches out the plain text from the resume. It basically turns the resume into PDF form so that AI can easily understand and evaluate this screening process. And in the next step here you can see there is a Google Sheet attached, and it is defined as a get job posting. So basically in the same Google Sheet I have already attached another sheet. It is defined as a job posting. So basically the roles that I am looking to hire for, I can updates and the job description in this Google Sheet. And here you can see it has majority of the details including job title, description, skills, employment type, posting, application deadlines. So basically here it extracted the job post and then transferred that details to the next agent. Upon that job description that we have updated on the Google Sheet, it help us to evaluate candidate on that specific requirements. And in the next step you can see the whole magic is being done. The AI screening is being happening, and we are using AI chat model, and to run this model we are using Google Gemini chat model. So basically this is where the whole screening process is being done, and I have already given few values how I wanted to be screening to be done. Like here you can see it automatically detects the job position that the candidate is applying for, and the relevant skills, cover letter, and the extracted PDF resume. And then in the description here you can see there's a lot of information that I wanted to be screening done on the basis of that specific command. So basically I have commanded this AI agent to share the screening status as in three values, like a suitable, not suitable, and under review. And then there is a I need this agent to describe the candidate profiles. And in the next step here you can see there is a check candidate and send to HR node. And here you can see whatever the status that is being given by the AI agent is being first updated on the Google Sheet. And then here is another thing that what we can do just to help the HR. Here I have also attached another node. It is called as a if node. So if the candidate matches with the suitable job description, it will also send a specific email to the HR. It depends upon us, like if you wanted to use this function or not. Currently I have attached this. So like if the candidate is being suitable, so this system automatically send the candidate details and the detailed screening note to the email to the HR. And if not email to the HR, it will just update the sheet on the Google. And then here you can see the status will be updated on the Google Sheet, and it will wait for a specific time in the next node, and then the workflow continues in the loop. So this was the whole workflow automation, and it is basically designed for making recurring agency or HR agencies work easy.
Because if you see, like, why this matters, like, why this automation majorly matters. So basically I have also runs multiple job application posts where I post on different job posting platforms like Indeed or LinkedIn, where I get tons of emails or tons of resumes which are really not suitable for the specific role that I'm looking for. But I have to review each and every resume just to make sure, like, I have reviewed all the profiles resumes that I have got for this that specific role. So this what this process do, this process automatically summarize our that work, so that we can only focus on the candidates who is suitable for that specific role, rather than you know reading or fetching, or you can see evaluating the tons of emails or resumes that we got. So yeah, this was the whole workflow, and I hope you like it.
That's it. This was the whole workflow automation, and I hope you like it. And if you have any type of questions, queries, and you can always use a comment section, and I would love to help you out. And inshallah, see you soon in the next AI automation.